All right, so right now we're going to talk about accounts payable and how to input a invoice so that when we're ready we can process payment for that. So basically, we get invoices a couple of different ways. Most of our invoices from our vendors is emailed, so you'll get an email and you'll just process it in. Or we have a few that do get mailed. We prefer invoicing, we prefer entering it in through the email. Um, I have a few of the invoices that are in my hand that are mailed, but what we'll do is we'll go to My Central, which you'll have your own login, and they're primarily the shipping company that we use. So basically, you go in there and we want to uh, go to account details, and we see a few of these invoices here that need to be processed. We probably need to open that up a little bit further since I want to make sure I get all of them. And you can look at a lot of these invoices, but if you go to sales order, payables, and you go to bills and adjustments, you can see all the different payables that we have, all the bills that are open and closed. But we want to go ahead and search maybe for central transport, and it looks like the last bill was 659-7 that was entered on 520. So uh, we can see here, SmartWay 6595. So 186.05. I just want to make sure that this is correct. Okay. 264. All right. So the next one we want to enter in is this on 524 924-3 ATS wholesale. So you'll want to go ahead and print that out to a PDF and just download it here. And you can put it on your desktop. But we wanna put in the pro number 4655924-3, and I just put on. I'll delete it later. So we've downloaded the actual bill, Pinpoint 5697. I'll close that tab, and so I'll close that out. And so we'll go to payables, and we're going to go ahead and enter a bill for central transport. So we've got here bill, click on this is central transport. Okay. And under the vendor reference, we'll put in the pro number 149-465-5924-3. This is for ATS wholesale. It's for that order. And so we're going to enter here. This is for freight. hold on, let me check something here first. Let's discard that. Hold on. I just want to see how they put it in here. Yeah, it's under freight. Freight. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go back in there. We'll start again. Create the bill. The vendor is central. Okay. The vendor reference is 149-465-5924-3. This is ATS wholesale. The invoice date is 5/20. 5/20. I'll put in freight. Prepay and add freight. 156.97. 697. So all of that is in there. We want to hit save. Okay, so the reference number's 853, and then we're good to go. And so we also want to make sure that we get a copy of that bill and put it into the file. So I have that under the desktop, and there it is. So we'll click desktop and oops, open that up. There you go, and drag it. All right, and there it is. So we've got that done, and basically that is accounts payable entering a bill. Thanks.